I'm Emily Siedlik, and I've been a project coordinator for Travois since 2012. If you're interested in using low-income housing tax credits, commonly referred to as LIHTCs, to build new housing units, but you're not sure quite where to start, you've come to the right video. Based on Travois' experience, proper deliberation of 5 factors is crucial to a successful new construction LIHTC project. The acronym BUILD, B-U-I-L-D, will help you remember them. First, B stands for bigger picture. We strongly encourage you to use comprehensive, also known as master planning, when contemplating new construction developments. A master plan looks at your ideas for meeting those goals above and beyond the time frame of your annual IHP, typically the next 5, 10, or even 15 years. Be sure to check out an earlier video in our series that featured Brian Schuler to learn more about the importance of the IHP. Planning well ahead of time for multiple phases of new housing development, mixed-use areas, green and community spaces, infrastructure needs, and economic development opportunities will result in an organized, cohesive community. Several federal planning grants exist that can help fund your master planning efforts. Second and third, you and I represent utilities and infrastructure. It's important to know far in advance who will be responsible for providing and paying for these important elements of a new development. Most states have strict cost caps in the LIHTC program, so it's usually the case that the utility and infrastructure costs are handled outside of the LIHTC budget. This means you'll need to seek non-LIHTC sources of funding to extend roads, electricity and water and sewer services to a new project area. Choosing a location for the new project that is near existing development will keep the utility and infrastructure extension costs at a minimum. Fourth, L stands for location. Selecting the best site for your new homes is crucial to a smooth, cost-effective project, and some selection considerations are the same for rehab projects. You should have site control or ownership over the project site. Again, this means you have the lease for trust land or the deed for fee land. Since you have a somewhat greater ability to choose your project site in a new construction project than in a rehab, you likewise have an increased ability to choose a site location that maximizes points in your particular state for proximity to services and amenities. If you watched Brian's earlier video in our series, you got a quick introduction to these scoring criteria, also known as the Qualified Allocation Plan, or QAP. You can also view a new video by Elizabeth Bland-Glenn that goes into more detail about the QAP process. For the moment, you'll want to get specific so you can balance the point advantage you would get for a particular location with the comparative cost for building there. For example, a site that is already relatively flat and stable will require minimal grading and fill, translating into lower costs for you. Smaller lot sizes also translate into reduced costs for surveying, engineering, and construction. It's also very important to thoroughly research a potential site's surroundings and past uses. Development in floodplains and wetlands, which can be in the most unlikely of places, is essentially prohibited. Proximity to environmental concerns like landfills and chemical storage tanks would similarly disqualify a project site from consideration. The investor-required Phase 1 environmental site assessment will eventually reveal these environmental issues, but at a time when it's too late to change the project site. To avoid costly remediation or forfeiting the project altogether, investigate and inquire with those who know the site's history. Remember, the Phase 1 ESA does not satisfy the requirements of the National Environmental Policy Act, or NEPA. You must complete the HUD environmental assessment before you start construction activities. Fifth and finally, D is for design. Full construction plans and specifications prepared by a licensed architect are required for LIHTC projects. The project must comply with the state's mandatory design guidelines and any applicable accessibility and universal design regulations, while also staying within the state's cost caps. It is therefore crucial that you retain an architect who is knowledgeable in LIHTCs and who is dedicated to providing you with quality homes that can be built at an affordable cost. Stay tuned to this video series because very soon we will have a thorough discussion of design considerations featuring our stellar design and construction services team. Carefully considering these 5 factors, utilizing a master plan, determining utility and infrastructure extension responsibility, choosing a cost-effective location, and hiring an experienced architect will reduce the potential for costly snares as you reduce your wait list with a new construction LIHTC project. If you have any questions about these 5 factors, please contact us. We are available by phone, email, or through our social media networks.